and management practices. What's the power of integration? The core idea of this combination is modern organization success. It's a blend of disciplines. One of these combinations is education and management. It creates a powerful combination that builds adaptive, effective, and human-centered organization. So, of course, here we are talking about education and learning, not about training. So, it's about what we call it learning and teaching learning process. 4 keys of integration here we can talk about: leadership and mentorship, of course, from task delegation to growth guidance. The second one, strategic planning versus curriculum design, learning versus human resource management, and performance versus assessment. We will talk about one by one. What were for managers to leader mentor? Of course, here nowadays we are the managers delegate tasks and mentor outputs. The new combination will be leader mentor guidance, personal growth, and create safe experimentation spaces. So with this will result increased employees engagement, innovation, and retention. This shift fosters a growth mindset, and mistakes become learning opportunities. So the employees and administrators will learning from their mistakes. The strategy as learning roadmap. So here we used curriculum design for strategic planning. Objectives, we are define clear organization goals. Content, structure, strategic initiatives. We used methods, implementation of approaches, and for assessment, we measure and adjust progress. Just like education, they create a strategic learning roadmap for more coherent, logical, and effective goal execution. The third one, human resource as learning experience. Infuse human resource process with educational theory using what we use for adult learning principles. For transformation routine, here administrative task into immersive learning experience that foster genuine continuous learning culture. So, feedback for growth, not judgment. When we talk about evaluation and assessment, here in management, it's a difference than learning and teaching process. So we will replace annual reviews for continuous feedback that will make the process more and more effective. Formative assessment, we use a formative assessment, which we use for educators, and here for administrators apply education assessment techniques. For development focuses, we are from feedback to growth opportunities and to have opportunities. More accurate view of potential and reduce employee anxiety through real-time coaching. So here, the director or the manager will be coacher more than judgment or judger. So we have some roadblocks which we have in our road to have these objectives. Cultural resistance, so shifting from command and control to teach and learn, it requires mindset change. So we have advocacy, it advocates between all workers in this field to know what we mean about this combination. Measurements, meaning quantifying impact of soft skills development and cultural transformation. For skill gap, there is skill gap between managers and coaching, so we have to work with managers about these skills. And the other side, what the future of education institutions themselves. We are talking about managers, now we are talking about educators. Data-driven decisions, so they use analytic for personal learning and institutional efficiency. They are managing innovation and leading AI platform adaptation and pedagogical focus. Human-centric leadership as student-centric teaching and learning process. So empowering educators and focusing on well-being, strategic globalization, and managing international partnership and brand reputation. So the conclusion, we have to have in mind these key takeaways. Integration creates resilience. So merging education and management builds more adaptive organizations. Modern managers as coach, not as director. Today, leaders must be mentors and growth facilitators, structural development. So employee growth should be intentional as curriculum design, continuous feedback, which is more effective than the feedback at the end of the year or at the half of the year. So ongoing assessment is vital for performance and growth. The future will belongs to organizations that have the data informed, people focused, and strategical agile. Thank you very much, and it's you, Darth.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Dr. Samah, for such an excellent presentation. Especially, you talked about innovation and in terms of the modern context, where, of course, it is very much vibrant, the structure. And this is how we move towards progress and research and innovation. So brilliant presentation and an excellent topic in this in this ICORM 2025. I would like to have one comment from our Honorable Director, Professor Dr. Rajesh Kannosa, regarding the presentation.
Okay, thank you for inviting me. I congratulate Samah Iriqat Madam for her very important and also in very in-depth presentation. Okay, how can you use an technology and AI in an HR, then how can manage it? Okay, this is very important need of the hour. Thank you, Madam, for highlighting. It was a very excellent presentation. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Professor Dr. Rajesh Kannosa. Now I would like to have one message from Dr. Samah from Palestine. Ma'am, one message from your side to all the global academicians.
Okay, I'm encourage other colleagues to have a combination between other fields, not education and management, but many fields can we have a very good combination between them and have a good opportunity to be useful fields in future. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Such an incredible message in ICORM, and we look forward to see you in many more of our presentation. Thank you so much, our fellow member, our WRFL member, Dr. Samah Iriqat from Palestine. Now let's move towards the next presentation. Here, I would like to check the availability.